Have you ever played that one level from the beginning of the Mutual speed hack video? I wanted to, and since the Mutual doesn't provide the name, I had to search for it using the song. What do you assume was my reaction when I found 5 entire levels that all start with the exact same cube part from his video? It was only until I sat down to beat all 5 of them for this video that I figured out that they were all made for a creator contest held by Darnock, but that really got me thinking. Are there any true rated levels that are just copies of others? Yes, and I want to talk about what I found. We'll start off with what I think is the most well-known case of this. Zeraku is one of the weirdest old creators of all time. Only 2 of his 7 raids are actually playable in their original forms today. The 5 others have all been updated at some point in time, and some of them have just been entirely replaced with other levels. 2 examples I can give for this would be his 1.6 level Right Here Waiting, which has been replaced with the 2.0 level Soul Beat that didn't get rated upon release, and his 1.4 level Swiftness, which is now a 1.8 mess with some really bizarre gameplay choices like a cube copter and the seemingly RNG UFO section. Well, at least those 2 are unique levels that wouldn't have been rated otherwise. What if I told you that he updated his 1.5 level Disappear of Echo 08 to just be a direct clone of his last ever raid, Killer Hunting? Seriously, these both are the exact same level. You can say these don't count as copy raids since they were different upon first coming out, but I think they're interesting enough to warrant a spot in this video. But how about something a little bit more absurd? In 1.3, the green user Pixelcube managed to get a buffed copy of his already rated level rated as well. They're both called Dryout 2, except the normal version is 5 stars and the buffed one is 6 stars. They both also happen to suck an immense amount of ass. There's not much else to say about the pair except that the buffed version just throws in a bunch of triple spikes everywhere and in general is just absolutely awful. Staying in 1.3, while Pixelcube was busy buffing his level, Zelink managed to get 2 almost exact copies of his level Rainbow Orange rated only 2 levels apart. What's the difference between them? The song and 1 block in the ship around the middle. Yes, really. I found one more instance of a creator getting a 2-for-1 rate special, and that's the green user Zim. He managed to get his levels Auto Matrix Auto and Auto Magical Auto rated back to back in 1.6. The only difference between the 2 is that Auto Magical Auto has 2 more objects than Auto Matrix Auto. And finally, we have pure thievery. You might know this is Palin, the creator of D-Days and owner of a completely broken account that doesn't fucking load. Their level Auto Ignite was stolen by the professional word speller Xbass and renamed to Epsilon Auto. Don't be fooled by the names, these are the exact same level. At least Palin did catch this one, unlike the final case I want to discuss. A green user who didn't even bother to name himself got his level Auto Dynamic stolen by GW Fluttershy in 1.7. The re-upload was named Auto Happy and it almost tripled Auto Dynamics and downloads and likes. So what did we learn? RobTop was drunk when rating pretty much anything back then and never trust Zariku with updating his levels. Yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.